Reverse gear stuck up, minor error in design, root cause of frequent problem. There were frequent complaints of buses getting detained on line for stuck up and reverse gear. Drivers were unable to shift to neutral to engage other gears. Ultimately, mechanic was required to be sent to attend the bus. Buses full with passengers getting detained on line is always a serious matter, particularly in city operation. In city operation, journey time is short and passengers cannot wait for even half hour. Line mechanics informed that reverse gear was stuck up. I had heard about reverse gear stuck up for the first time. Line mechanics informed me that they had also seen this defect for the first time. Hence, to find out, they removed tower assembly below gear lever. They found that reverse gear fork had excess travel, which resulted in gear selector lower end coming out of the slot in the jaw of gear shifting rod in sideway direction. Further, they removed the gearbox top cover and they found reverse gear fork bolt was badly loose. After putting gear shifting rod in proper position, they tightened the fork bolt. There were 25 breakdowns on road per week. This was very high figure for fleet of new few hundred buses. On investigation found that for reverse gear, grub screw type fork bolt was provided. It was full threaded bolt with tapered end as shown in figure 1. Further depth of the conical seat provided on the gear shifting rod was more than the height of tapered portion on the grub screw. Therefore, point of contact was only on the crest of the thread when it just touches the conical seat. To give immediate relief, I modified these bolt by just grinding off the last thread. With this, there is surface contact as shown in figure 2. With this small change, reverse gear stuck up cases were completely stopped. Actually, proper design would have been as shown in figure 3. In this case, depth of the seat in the shaft is less. Therefore, there is full surface contact and bolt will not get loose. Here in this case, we were facing this problem for the first time, but line mechanics who had no training about this were able to find the fault and attend it of their own. Some of them were even illiterate, promoted as mechanic only because of their experience. But they were able to find the fault independently. I was able to completely eliminate the problem only because of all required information was given by them. Therefore, I always say that any person working in the field, irrespective of his level of education, experience, or his position in the organization, has the capacity to solve any problem. Therefore, develop the habit of applying your mind to solve the problems. Ultimately, it will make you most successful person in life. Therefore, be confident. Go ahead. Best of luck. Thank you for watching this video. Watch the channel PS Auto Solutions to learn many secrets of automobile with Praveen Shinde. Thank you.